Welcome to this training on SolarWinds Network Performance Monitor, or NPM, a powerful tool for monitoring and managing your network's performance and availability. SolarWinds NPM helps its teams track network health, detect bottlenecks, and ensure uptime. It provides real-time visibility and proactive alerts to keep critical systems running smoothly. Before installation, make sure you have a supported Windows Server environment. You'll also need VMware or SE to host supporting devices, plus access to SNMP-enabled routers, firewalls, or virtual machines like IOSV and FortiGate. Next, download the SolarWinds NPM offline installer, along with optional modules such as NCM for configuration management and NTA for traffic analysis. These files are available from the SolarWinds portal. Run the NPM installer on your Windows server, follow the setup wizard, and configure the Orion platform. Once installed, you can add network devices through SNMP or WMI and begin monitoring performance. NPM relies heavily on SNMP. Versions 1 and 2 provided basic functionality but lacked strong security. With SNMP version 3, we gain encrypted communications, user authentication, and a robust security model, making it the recommended choice today. In summary, SolarWinds NPM provides the tools you need to proactively monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize your network. With proper installation and SNMP v3 configuration, you'll have a secure and reliable monitoring environment. Thank you for watching this deep dive into SolarWinds NPM installation.